In light of our Bitcoin money cost forecast, the cost of BCH will cross the $273 mark toward the finish of 2023. As indicated by our BCH cost forecast 2025, Bitcoin money's future is brilliant, and it could hit $458 toward the finish of 2025. Our Bitcoin money expectation 2030 shows that the coin could raise a ruckus around town value level of $1,118. Right now, the cost of Bitcoin money is exchanging around $113, which is practically 4% up from the most recent 24 hours. In spite of the blended patterns, Bitcoin money holds the possibility to go up and could hit $458 by 2025. In the event that you are searching for Bitcoin money expectations, our top-to-bottom examination means to respond to your inquiries like, is Bitcoin money a wise speculation? How high will Bitcoin money go? Is Bitcoin money expected to rise? Before we start with point-by-point Bitcoin money cost conjecture, we should jump into the coin's outline. Bitcoin money, BCH, presentation. The beginning of digital currencies denoted a progressive time in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital forms of money offers a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The famous digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so forth had their own advantage temporary fad to advance. In any case, they're actually snuck a test of openness, straightforwardness, and gigantic exchange expenses. Allow us to have a fast look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin money's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of engineers. They understood that the colossal capability of Bitcoin could be additionally saddled ideally through a hard fork, subsequently expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH started its life. The essential target of Bitcoin money, BCH, was to resolve the issues concerning rising exchange expenses and discussions encompassing adaptability in the blockchain. Keeping in context distributed exchanges as the centralized server and security as the critical purposes, this BCH was ready to work with the expansion in block size from 1 MB to 8 MB, accordingly accomplishing a dramatically fast of exchange process. Bitcoin money BCH cost depends on cryptographic strategies that depend on zero divulgence proof and the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any verifiable information or message on the other party associated with the exchange. Thus, security deterrents are captured first. A notable trait of this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of additional exchanges on the organization. When BCH made its presence felt and unmistakable, Ziglu, a London-based computerized bank, chose to support English pounds and numerous digital currencies like BTC, LTC, and presently BCH too. Clients of the computerized bank can now make P2P installments over the organization or different banks inside the UK. In August 2017, mining and opponent coins made this Bitcoin Cash digital currency skip to an enormous level. The typical cost expanded with more than a $9 billion market cap. Many began seeing this as a contender as opposed to a posterity or a hard fork of Bitcoin. However, an ensuing revision cut statements by practically 30%. In November, the following period of development started. Against the foundation of the arrival of true programming and posting on top trades, the coin began a cost recuperation, making a noteworthy high of $430, with a market cap being $70 billion. Nonetheless, since the mid-2018, the BCH cost confronted continuous revision and toward the finish of 2018, it fell beneath $100. Then, till 2020, Bitcoin has figured out how to enlist a reach bound, exchanging from $167 to $480. From that point forward, from the start of 2021, the cost of BCH coin has been soar and reached $1,549. Afterward, it confronted sharp fall and retested $100 once more. Since the last year, Bitcoin money has figured out how to remain over the $96 mark, with major areas of strength for an around $150 till date. The ongoing cost activity reflects plausibility that the BCH coin cost could recuperate soon. To outfit the ideal potential, specialists overall and die-hard financial backers of Bitcoin money expectation have prompted adhering to this cash, mostly for the reasons of future cost heightening assumptions. Truth be told, it has consistently acquired and reliably performed, as said previously. Allow us to examine the specialist's interpretation of Bitcoin money expectation specialized examination. As per anticipated Bitcoin money cost investigation, Bitcoin money cost could drift least cost around $106 toward 2023 in the couple of the following months, and Bitcoin money estimate is by all accounts showing negative feeling. It might dishearten its financial backers, cruising scarcely at $13.39 as least cost toward 2023 out of 1 year's end. Bitcoin money is anticipated to begin in walk 2023 at $131.614 and finish the month at $119.822. During spring, the most extreme gauge BCH cost is $140.216 and the base cost is $95.347. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023 going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts. The coin's cost has been deviating from its way, typically every several years. In 2023, Bitcoin money is supposed to arrive at the base cost of $112.56 and $273.46 as the most extreme cost. As per Bitcoin money cost forecast 2023, there is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin money causing a slight recuperation. However, at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recapture its lost energy and crosses the $250 mark. Bitcoin money value expectation 2024, expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin money will govern the crypto market, with a presentation cost fixed around $347.50 in the long-term end. Bitcoin money is said to arrive at the base cost of $227.50 with a typical cost of $287.50. Bitcoin money has the maximum capacity to maintain and reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances, according to our BCH cost forecasts. There will be an exceptional change in the Bitcoin money cost estimate when contrasted with the ongoing price. Bitcoin money value forecast 2025, assuming the BCH cost endures for an extremely long period and mass reception gets number, it is definitely conceivable that Bitcoin money will be essentially more than its unequaled high. In light of our BCH cost expectation, Bitcoin money is said to arrive at the base cost of $300.30 and $458.70 as the greatest cost. That would mean, as per Bitcoin money cost expectation, it would have a typical worth of $379.50 in 2025. Bitcoin money value forecast 2026, in view of our own exploration and Bitcoin money cost gauge, the BCH cost expectation for the year 2026 is $590.75. BCH estimate helps in money management with flawless timing. Bitcoin money is anticipated to have a base cost of $386.75 and a typical cost of $590.75. Bitcoin money value expectation 2027 as indicated by Bitcoin Cash cost forecast. The token is